Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you have not watched my previous videos, please watch them. And if you are not subscribed yet to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. So without delay, let's get into the today's topic. On seeing this image, most of you already got to know what we are going to discuss today. Today we are going to discuss about a small business but gained a lot of popularity. It's none other than Dabbawala. In this video, we are going to discuss about different things like how they are started and what services they are providing and what are the things they followed while serving its customers and why they are not expanding their services to other cities. Let's start. During 19th century, when many of Indians started moving to Bombay for a need of job, due to traffic in Mumbai and job timings, many of them has to start early and are not able to carry lunch boxes as it is difficult to prepare lunch at early morning. So one of the employee wanted to have some home cooked food and so he appointed Dabbawala. Other people also liked this idea and started appointing Dabbawalas. If anyone want to start a business, who have to grab the opportunities. This is what exactly done in this case. Mahadev Hawaji saw the opportunity and started delivery service with a team of 100 Dabbawalas. As increase in demand grows, the number of Dabbawalas also increases. This is how an informal job turned into a formal business. So before going to next slide, let's see some of highlights of Dabbawala. As we discussed, it is started in 1890 and it is registered as charitable trust in 1956. As of now, there is a 5,000 network of Dabbawalas. Daily, they deliver 2 lakh lunch boxes. But after pandemic, like other businesses, Dabbawalas also affected. They got Six Sigma certification. What is Six Sigma certification? It is the certification given to businesses which have very less error rate. As Dabbawalas have only one error rate in 6 million transactions. Harvard University has done a case study on Dabbawalas. They use only bicycles, so 0% fuel and no plastic, no paper, and they won't use any technology while serving its customer. Let's see what are the services provided by Dabbawala. First service is Dabba service. In this service, they carry home cooked food from your home to office. The next one is lectures and seminars. They will share the experiences and learnings from their work and how they manage the work and how they are delivering the service without any errors. And next one is centralized kitchen. It is started in 2016. If no one has to there for you to cook food, no need to worry. Dabbawalas are there for us. They also have kitchen rooms. From that, they will deliver food with best quality for who don't have home cooked food. So next service is they will do swasha service. Sometimes we all left the food in our boxes. So Dabbawalas observed this and they started an interesting practice. In this, whoever not finishing their lunch, they have to stick a note to Dabba with text share my Dabba for approval so that they will distribute it to children with no food in slum areas. The next service is advertise with us. Daily they deliver 2 lakh dabbas, so they have 4 lakh touch points. So they can promote our business with brand messages samples as per area requirement. They have promoted some large companies also. While Reliance Power is launching its IPO, it sent applications through Dabbawalas. Airtel also uses them for distributing pamphlets by giving commission to each Dabbawala. And many movies were also promoted through them. And they also promoted Pizza Hut, Dettol, and so many countries. From this, we can see how Dabbawalas have earned trust and image in public. In the image, you can find how Dabbawalas are promoting the different businesses through Dabbas. So next service is Digital Dabbawala. In this service, they are using technology to make rental agreements so that they can provide hassle-free delivery. So here we have some interesting points to discuss about how they manage to deliver lunch boxes. As per estimates, they deliver 2 lakh lunch boxes per day. So is it possible to deliver those many boxes without a strategy? Absolutely no. It is a very complicated task. because they have to make the dabba to reach the exact person on time from lakhs of dabbas. At morning, a dabbawala collects all boxes from every home. After that, they will carry them to railway station. They will use only bicycles and carts. Then another team will wait in railway station for shuffling dabbas as per area. Then another team of dabbawalas join and divide the boxes as per area. Like this process will continue to next station based on the distance. And at final destination, they will again split the boxes as per building and floors. This is the process where dabbawalas are delivering the lunch boxes to customers. And here in this image, you can see during the Republic celebration, dabbawalas are placed as tableau during parade. From this, you can understand how dabbawalas gain trust in public and in the whole country also. So next, we can see how they will identify the dabbas. They use coding to identify each dabba. It is not less than our computer codes. They will use different abbreviations for collection points and delivery points, and color codes, and number for starting and ending destinations, and numbers for floors. In this image, you can find how dabbawalas are using code on dabbas. So next we are going to discuss why dabbawalas are not able to expand their business. So first point is they are very low cost service providers. While providing service, they will use only bicycles and local trains. They deliver services without any technology. They will use technology only for making rental agreements. So management feels that they won't be able to set up new venture and provide services as effectively as in Mumbai. So they are not expanding their business. So this is all about Dabbawala. If you like our content, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Next week we will come with another interesting video. Thank you.